Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by unlocking the phone and accessing the right place for alerts. If your device was locked, glance at the lock screen first because many notifications stay visible there. Once ready, swipe down from the top center on newer iPhones or swipe up from the bottom on older models to open Notification Center. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus modes are off because they hide alerts. This first step reveals recent banners and grouped threads so you can pick the right app to inspect. Once Notification Center is open, look for grouped stacks. Messages and alerts often bundle by app to save space. Tap any stack to expand it, and then scroll within that group to find older items. If you can't spot it visually, swipe down to reveal the search bar and type the app name or a keyword from the alert. This filters results quickly. When you find the notification, tap it to open the source app, or press the app icon to jump straight into relevant content and context. To finish, verify system settings so future alerts don't get lost. Open Settings, choose Notifications, then confirm the app has Allow Notifications enabled with your preferred alert style, sounds, and badges. Also inspect Focus and Scheduled Summary because they can delay or hide notices, adjust rules, or add apps to allowed lists. If a notification still won't show, force quit and reopen the app or reinstall it to refresh permissions. Troubleshooting tip: restart the iPhone first. Many notification glitches clear after a reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.